She's stunning at first glance, the kind of girl people turn to look at. But when the camera gets closer, the truth appears. Her cheeks covered in painful, inflamed acne, her forehead filled with stubborn bumps that never seem to go away, and behind her confident smile, there's a story no one sees. Every morning, she hides in the bathroom mirror, whispering the same question, "Why me?" She tries creams, masks, diets, nothing works. The world sees pretty. She sees a battlefield. But here's the twist. Her acne isn't just skin deep. It's stress. It's hormones. It's her skin begging for help, not punishment. One day, instead of squeezing, scrubbing, and hiding, she walks into a dermatologist's office, terrified but determined, and that moment changes everything. A real diagnosis, a real treatment, a routine made for her, not the internet. Slowly, the redness fades, the bumps shrink, and she starts to recognize herself again. Today, she's still gorgeous, but now her skin tells a new story. Strength, healing, and proof that acne doesn't define beauty. It reveals courage. Follow me if you want the next chapter.